Hello everyone. Have you ever posted something on Instagram? Most of you might answer yes. Then why do you use SNS like Instagram? Do you think we can be happy through the development of science? This time, we're going to talk about scientific and technological progress in human happiness. Before we take a look at the effects of progress in happiness, we wondered what exactly happiness is. What can we use to define happiness? It's the ERG theory, which stands for existence, relatedness, and growth. It was invented by Clayton Oliver to develop previous desire theory, and it's divided into three parts. The first part, existence, pertains to the physiological, material, and safety needs that allow humans to exist, such as food, house, and water. The second part, relatedness, pertains to the need to achieve meaningful and satisfactory human relationships with others. And the third part, growth, pertains to the desire for individual growth and development, which is satisfied by maximizing potential and developing abilities. So, here we define happiness as a state in which all needs of the ERG theory are satisfied and balanced. Mostly, science and technology can help to satisfy the needs described by ERG theory.
So, how does technology affect to ERG? We have satisfied our desire through technological advances. First, technology has had a positive effect on existence needs. Advances in agricultural technology and biotechnology have allowed most of humanity to eliminate the problem of widespread hunger. Also, advances in medical technology have satisfied the need for safety. In addition, the development of machine, transportation, and building technology has contributed to satisfying our existence need. Next, technology has also had a positive effect on our relatedness needs. The development of communication method has allowed us to interact with people without physical constraints. And the global communication network has helped us to relate to people more frequently. Finally, through technology, we are able to satisfy our growth needs as well. The spread of internet has made it easy to obtain a large amount of information, which has greatly contributed to the growth and development of individuals. In addition, the development of technology has expanded the way in which individuals can express themselves. As you can see, humans have been able to satisfy various needs through the development of science and technology. However, technology development does not always satisfy human needs. The reckless development of technology can cause frustration of ERG desire. In other words, it can cause unhappiness. Environmental problems, traffic jam, increased rate of war, housing shortage, and resource depletion are all problems caused by the development of technology, and result in frustration of human existence. In particular, in situations such as war, technology is used to frustrate certain safety needs. In addition, resource shortage problems result in the frustration of physiological and material needs. Similarly, excessive expansion of social networks can frustrate related needs by making meaningful and satisfactory human relations impossible. People satisfy their related needs through meaningful and satisfying relationships. However, overly wide communication networks such as SNS can make forming this relationship impossible. Due to science and technology, we humans have reduced labor and put a lot of value in labor. Will it always be happy? No. This is because the growth needs has been frustrated. Labor has contributed to happiness as a means of self-fulfilling and self-development for us. Therefore, though working does not just promote human happiness and frustrate safety needs, in the progress of technology development satisfying the needs for particular human, other human needs may be frustrated.
We thought that public's perception that reckless technology frustrates our needs is necessary. We provide students indirect experience of relationship between technology advance and the satisfaction of human needs. We focused on the frustration of relatedness needs among the ERG theory in the project. We used the fact that expanding social communication networks can cause frustration in relationship needs. Our project allowed people to experience the negative effects that the expansion of social communication networks can cause. During the project, we had participants reduce the use of social communication networks (SNS). This limited exposure of participating students to a wide range of information and reduced unnecessarily expanded scope of life to an appropriate level, and it helped people to form meaningful relationship with others and focus on offline relationship. As a result, participants could achieve relatedness needs by reduce the use of social communication networks. They also could confirm negative aspects of reckless development of science in this project. We gave a presentation to 13 project participants after the project. The real purpose of our project was revealed there, and the participants took our findings seriously. In this way, we urged the students to think critically about the indiscriminate development of science and technology.
In order to discuss the development of science and technology from an ethical point of view, we considered Hans Yuan's concept of the ethical vacuum. Ethical vacuum refers to the gap between ethical standards and scientific development. This gap is caused by the slow pace of ethical standards development compared to the pace of scientific and technological development. When an ethical vacuum occurs, existing ethical standards cannot solve the ethical problems caused by new science and technology. We believe that human ERG needs are not satisfied because of this phenomenon. So how can we reduce the ethical vacuum? This can be solved by applying the principle of the heuristic of fear found in Hans Yuan's book, The Principle of Responsibility. The concept predicts negative situations caused by human behavior and attempts to find preventive measures. It anticipates the degree of ethical vacuum that will occur when science and technology continue to develop according to the heuristic of fear predicts the problems that will arise as a result and takes precautions to avoid these problems. In order for science and technology to develop according to the heuristic of fear, indiscriminate scientific development must be avoided. This is because the excessive speed of scientific development prevents us from predicting the degree of ethical vacuum. Therefore, we must prepare laws and policies to prevent the reckless development of science and technology in the future. Currently, many countries are enacting laws and policies related to science and technology that only present solutions to problems that have already occurred. The international community should use the principle of the heuristic of fear in order to take responsibility for the future by predicting future situations and establishing policies accordingly. The procedures for establishing effective international policies are as follows. First, in the case of science and technology that includes critical risks such as air pollution, we must pay attention at the international level. Examples include the fields of artificial intelligence and biotechnology. Next, experts should be mobilized to predict the negative situation that such science and technology can cause. Experts in each field will be great help in analyzing how and in what respect technology affects those fields.